Hello everyone guys, and in today's video we're always gonna dive into Bitcoin's chart. What's going on guys, and what does it all mean for us? Let me explain guys. Basically, Bitcoin gave the sharp upward movement, and this movement is about approximately 6%. And what should we do now? First of all, we gotta understand the whole situation, and if we scale out and switch to the daily time frame, we can see that Bitcoin is trading in a downward trend due to that fact that maximums and minimums are decreasing. And if we turn on the EMA, we can see that since the moment when Bitcoin broke below the support level of the 200 EMA, by this moment Bitcoin has not been above the resistance level, which means that the downward trend is still downward and nothing has changed, guys. And what do we know about a downward trend, guys? That all the bounces which we see in a downward trend, like this, we first of all deem as a bounces, guys, not as reversals. And because, for instance, previously there was a bunch of bounces which ended up failing, because quite recently, by this moment, Bitcoin updated the lowest price of 2026, and right now the lowest price of 2026 is falling to the support level at 57,800. And on top of that, it seems like a short squeeze, because for example, recently Bitcoin closed a daily candle right here, a daily bearish candle, which looked like the momentum of the bounce had faded. But after that, we saw this upward movement all of a sudden. Now, to figure out the whole situation, we have to dive into the small time frame. For example, the 1 hour time frame, guys. Here, if we turn on the RSI chart, we can see that the RSI is right now trading in the overbought area, and maximums at the chart are increasing, but the maximums of the RSI chart are decreasing, which means that the RSI right now is literally saying that it is a false movement. And with the high probability, we'll see a correction for approximately the current price, and it's called a divergence. On top of that, if we switch to the 4-hour time frame, we see that we can see more divergence, because here it is the same. The maximums are decreasing at the RSI chart right here, but on the price chart they are increasing by this movement, which means that it's something like a false momentum, and the RSI says something like that. So basically, we figured out that now it's not a reasonable decision to chase the current movement due to the overbought area, and due to the divergency, and the too sharp upward movement. Plus, Bitcoin is trading close to the resistance area at a 66K from where previously the price bounced. And relying on these factors, I'm expecting a correction from the current price over the support level at 62K. It's approximately 5.5%. And after that, we will see. But if we scale out again through the daily time frame, I want to emphasize the fact that I allow for the possibility of a continuation of the current movement over the resistance level at the 100 EMA, because previously, for example, right here, price bounced from the resistance level at the 100 EMA for approximately 37%. And this level, the level is the 100 EMA. I see some entry points right here, guys. And for example, here, it was not a big bounce, but anyway, it was approximately 2.5% at least. And I will fire some short right here. So overall, I might expect a correction from the current price over the support level at 62K, as I said previously. But I want to short, and I see some entry points at the resistance level at the 100 EMA. It is approximately $68,000 for one Bitcoin, because it is strong resistance level. And when Bitcoin hits this resistance level, Bitcoin gonna be trading in a more overbought area, which increases the probability of a bounce back if Bitcoin hits this resistance level. And basically, I think that it's just only a matter of time when Bitcoin hit the support level at 62K, and I think it's just only a matter of time when Bitcoin will update the lowest price of 2026. Right now, as I said previously, it is 57,800, because as I said previously, Bitcoin is trading in a downward trend. Maximums are decreasing. Bitcoin is trading below the EMA, and that's it, guys. So basically, this was just my take, my view, no financial advice, guys, just my thoughts. See you later. Thank you, and bye bye. Have a good day. No financial advice, just my thoughts, guys.